Okay, students, this is Queen of Boxing by Mary Com, 11th English, okay, second prose, part 2, we are seeing. Okay, so in the past video, we have seen Mary Com going to Pennsylvania and what all difficulties she faced, and at last she came out with a silver medal. Okay, and after that, what happened in India, that is what we are going to see in the second part. Okay, on my return, Delhi gave me a warm welcome at the airport. Back in Imphal, I was greeted with garlands and drum beats and dancing. There was a victory ride across town. A felicitation program was held in Langol, an area that houses the government quarters. Okay, so she is returning on her return. When she came to Delhi, there was a warm welcome. Everybody is welcoming Mary Com. Okay, and they are felicitating her. Felicitation means what? Honoring and praising a person. Okay, honoring. They are honoring and giving all sorts of respect, and they are all welcoming with their garland. Garland means what? Which is a strip of flowers. Okay, that we put around others' neck when they win something great. Okay, that is what garlands. Okay, and there was a victory ride taking her on a car or something, so that she will be viewed by the people all around that places, and they all welcome, all appreciating her. Okay, appreciating her victory. So she was given a victory ride. A felicitation program was held in Langol, an area that houses the government quarters. Thanksgiving prayers were said, and words of praise and adulation were showered on me. Words of adulation. Everyone started praising her. Okay, everyone started thanksgiving her. Adulation. Adulation means once again it's appreciation and praising. Okay, appreciating Mary Com for her victory. Okay, victory over silver. I was presented with a traditional shawl. Okay, she was also welcomed with a traditional shawl. That is our tradition, no? Welcoming others or appreciating others, we put one shawl around them. Okay, Uja Ibomcha was also present and was duly felicitated. So Uja Ibomcha is also a Manipuri boxing trainer person. Okay, so he has trained many people. He was also felicitated. When I spoke to the people in Langol that day, I spoke of my hope that I would win gold in future more tournaments. So on that day, she assured people that definitely she will win. The next time she will win gold in the coming tournaments. That first international medal of silver was always will mean a lot to me. The first win in Pennsylvania, though it is being a silver, a second prize, it was always something precious for Mary Com. The fight, all that followed are clearly etched in my memory. But deep inside, I was not happy with the silver. As I touched down in India, I vowed that the next time I would bring back a gold. I knew I was good enough. So we can see that the fight on how she fought with the opponent. Okay, in Pennsylvania to win the silver medal. Everything is etched. Everything is imprinted in her memory. Okay, but deep inside she was not happy because of the silver win, because the ultimate achievement is achieving the gold medal. Okay, so that is what, as I touched down India, when she came back to India, she took a vow. Vow means what? Vow means promise. She promised herself that she would one day definitely bring back India the gold medal. Okay, and she was very confident in that. The silver in Pennsylvania and the prize money from the government had put an end to my immediate financial worries. The silver which she won, and the government had given her lots and lots of laurels and appreciation, money, everything counts when you achieve something great. So she was able to meet her financial problems, financial crisis, okay, money problems. She was able to meet everything. She was able to clear all the debts she had. But I wanted a job too, for that alone can bring long-term security and a steady income. Okay, so but she is very strong and she wanted a job. A steady income should come consecutively. So she is expecting a job, so that only will give a long term security and a steady income will be coming every month. Okay, so as she wished, she was given a sub inspector job. We will see in the coming paragraph. Also around the time that I was getting married, she was getting married, I had no savings except a couple of life insurance policies. After my second world championship gold, the Manipur government offered me the post of sub-inspector, which I accepted in 2005. 2005 she won the second world championship, and she also got the job as sub-inspector job, okay, which as how she wished that she would be getting a steady income so that she could meet her needs, and also she has got married. I had long dreamt of getting a government job through the sports quota, and it was finally fulfilled. It was also her wish that getting a job through sports quota, and finally that wish was fulfilled. Fulfilled means what? Fulfilled means happy and satisfied, getting a government job through sports quota. I earned a salary of rupees 15,000 in that first job. The thing about the jobs that are obtained through sports quota is that we are not required to go into work as regularly our colleagues, because we tend to be away at camps and tournaments through much of the year. Throughout the year, so getting a job, being a sub-inspector of police in Manipur, it doesn't mean that she has to wear uniform and go to the police station. It's not like that. She can just put a signature and move out and do and involve in other competitions and tournaments. Okay, that is very simple. But she is getting a job. She is getting a salary of a sub-inspector, though she is not present in the office. And I go to office when necessary. So whenever it is necessary, she goes to office, and every time I need to go out of station, I am required to take leave and inform the department. Only thing that she has to inform the department that she is going for a tournament, for any competitions abroad. My medal haul continued after my marriage, putting an end to speculation among my family and friends around that particular topic. My medal haul means what? Collection of medals continued even after the speculation. Speculation means what? Everybody will be having a guess, a doubt whether she will continue after getting married, whether she will continue her boxing after getting married. Okay, this is a normal doubt that everybody has, but Mary Kom was different, and we can see that she is achieving more and more after marriage also. I retained the world title in the third World Women's Boxing Championship, okay, at Podolsk in Russia in 2005. 2005, she once again got back the third World Women's Boxing Championship in Russia. Sarita, who had won the bronze, and I were given a hero's welcome at the Imphal airport. So Sarita, who is also another Indian-born lady, she and Mary Kom were given warm welcome in the Imphal airport. We were taken to the Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre, where a grand reception was organized. Once again, they both were taken to theatre, Bhagya Chandra Theatre, and everybody as usual felicitated them and welcomed them. I had a good run from 2001 to 2004. From 2001 to 2004, we can see in this stanza all her achievements. Okay, I won several golds. All the senior women's boxing championships, the second women's boxing championship 2002, the second Asian women's boxing championship at Hisar in 2003, and the Witch Cup boxing championship at Pace, Hungary. In spite of this, when I got married, okay, in spite of this, though she got married, everybody was doubtful that my medal hauls would continue. Everybody was doubtful. Everybody will be doubting that once you get married, that's your life is end. That's all. Your ambition, your all interest in sports, everything, being a woman, it will be stopped. Whereas a male can continue, but we can see that Mary Kom is quite different from that, and she's continuing to collect lots of medals after getting married also. I participated in, but after wedding, I participated in and won a gold in the 3rd and 4th World Women's Boxing Championship in October 2005 and November 2006. Okay, so we can see that after getting married also, she is getting 2005 and 2006, she is getting 2 World Championship gold in boxing. There were a number of others international level championships in Taiwan, Vietnam, Denmark and so on, but it was retaining my world title in 2006 by defeating Steluta Duta of Romania 22-7 at the 4th World Championship in New Delhi, that I consider one of my greatest achievements. Many titles she has attained. She has attained and obtained. Okay, she has attended many championship tournaments in Taiwan, Vietnam, Denmark. Okay, but in 2006, which was held in New Delhi, that is something special. Why? Means because it was in our place. Okay, that is what she is coming to tell. I consider one of my greatest achievements. Her greatest achievement in Delhi. Okay, that she is considering it as the greatest achievement because it was her hometown. Okay, it is probably the most memorable for me because I was able to win at home. Okay, Delhi. The other Indian boxers also performed exceptionally well. Other Indian boxers also, okay, in their hometown, they performed exceptionally well. Exceptionally well means what? Extremely good, extremely good in an unusual way, not in a normal way, not in an usual way, but something to be spoken about. That is something to be spoken about. That is what we say, exceptionally, extremely good. Okay. India won 4 golds, 1 silver and 3 bronzes. Okay, so India won 4 golds, 1 silver and 3 bronzes, and our team won the overall title. The team, okay, as a cluster, they all won the overall title. With this hat-trick of world championship wins, the media christened me Queen of Boxing and Magnificent Mary. The media, because of a consecutive hat-trick, continuously 3 times she has won the World Women's Boxing Championship title. The media has given her a name, crowned, christened. Christened means what? Giving a name. The media has given her name Queen of Boxing or Magnificent Mary. So I hope you might have understood the second part of the lesson, Queen of Boxing. Okay, we will see in the next session. Thank you.